Welcome to GC Wealth Solution, where we delve into the world of investments and opportunities. Today, we're stepping into the realm of land development, a venture that holds both risks and rewards in equal measure. From the allure of transforming raw land into thriving communities to the challenges that come with it, join us as we explore the intricacies of this dynamic industry. 1. The promise of land development. Dreaming big. The vision of land development. Picture this: vast stretches of untouched land, brimming with potential. Land development ignites the imagination, offering a canvas for architects, developers, and dreamers alike to create something extraordinary. Whether it's crafting sustainable neighborhoods or commercial hubs, the promise of land development lies in its ability to shape the future landscape. From dirt to dollars, understanding the economics. But behind every grand vision lies a complex web of economics. Land development isn't just about aesthetics. It's a financial endeavor. From acquiring land at the right price to navigating zoning regulations, the economics of land development require strategic foresight and meticulous planning. Yet, for those who can master this dance of numbers, the potential for profit knows no bounds. Bridging the gap, connecting investors and opportunities in the world of land development, success often hinges on collaboration. Developers need capital, and investors seek promising ventures. Bridging the gap between these two parties requires effective communication, trust, and a shared vision for the future. Whether it's through traditional financing methods or innovative partnerships, aligning interests is essential for turning visions into reality. The power of perseverance, overcoming challenges. Make no mistake, land development is not for the faint of heart. Along the journey, developers will encounter a myriad of challenges, from logistical hurdles to unforeseen setbacks. It's during these moments of adversity that resilience becomes paramount. Those who can weather the storms, adapt to changing circumstances, and persevere in the face of uncertainty are the ones who ultimately succeed. 2. Navigating the risks. Nature's wrath, dealing with environmental factors. Mother Nature doesn't always play nice. Environmental factors such as soil quality, topography, and natural hazards can pose significant challenges to land developers. Flood zones, soil contamination, and endangered species habitats are just a few hurdles that must be overcome. Balancing development goals with environmental stewardship is essential to mitigate risks and ensure sustainable outcomes. Legal labyrinths. Understanding regulatory challenges. Welcome to the world of red tape and bureaucracy. Land development is rife with regulatory hurdles, from zoning restrictions to permitting processes. Navigating these legal labyrinths requires patience, expertise, and a knack for diplomacy. One misstep could result in costly delays or even project derailment. Understanding the regulatory landscape is crucial for developers looking to stay ahead of the curve. Financial pitfalls. Managing budgets and cash flow in the world of land development. Financial management is key. Projects can quickly spiral out of control without careful budgeting and cash flow management. From securing financing to monitoring expenses, developers must maintain a tight grip on their financials to avoid financial pitfalls. Whether it's through cost-saving measures or strategic investment decisions, staying financially disciplined is essential for long-term success. Market volatility. Navigating economic uncertainty. The real estate market is inherently cyclical, prone to fluctuations and downturns. Economic uncertainty, geopolitical events, and market trends can all impact the viability of land development projects. Navigating these uncertainties requires a deep understanding of market dynamics, as well as the ability to adapt to changing conditions. Those who can anticipate market shifts and position themselves accordingly are better equipped to weather the storms of volatility. 3. The rewards of success. Building communities. Creating social impact beyond the balance sheet lies a more profound reward: the opportunity to make a positive impact on communities. Land development isn't just about erecting buildings, it's about fostering vibrant, inclusive neighborhoods where people can live, work, and thrive. From affordable housing initiatives to green spaces that promote wellness, successful developers understand the importance of social responsibility. A lucrative legacy, profiting from development success. Let's talk numbers. Done right, land development can be a lucrative endeavor, yielding substantial returns on investment. Whether through residential, commercial, or mixed-use projects, successful developers have the potential to generate wealth for generations to come. But it's not just about the bottom line. It's about leaving a lasting legacy that shapes the fabric of communities for years to come. Beyond profit, fulfilling personal and professional goals for many developers, land development is more than just a business. It's a passion. The satisfaction of seeing a project come to fruition, the pride of creating something meaningful, the joy of positively impacting lives, these intangible rewards are just as valuable as any financial gain. Whether it's achieving personal goals, professional milestones, or leaving a lasting legacy, the rewards of success extend far beyond profit margins. May the ripple effect. Spurring economic growth, successful land development projects have a ripple effect that extends far beyond their boundaries. They create jobs, stimulate economic activity, and attract investment to surrounding areas. From infrastructure improvements to increased property values, the benefits of well-executed developments can be felt throughout the community. By fostering economic growth and prosperity, developers play a vital role in shaping the future trajectory of regions and cities. Conclusion. In the world of land development, the stakes are high, but so are the rewards. From the initial spark of inspiration to the final ribbon-cutting ceremony, the journey is filled with challenges, triumphs, and everything in between. As we've explored today, understanding the risks and rewards is essential for anyone looking to venture into this dynamic industry. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or an aspiring visionary, remember this: with great risk comes great opportunity. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy developing!